using special events as a force multiplier. A client that has a barbecue restaurant has live music every Thursday night. That one night earns him 40% of his revenue each week. Another client had a sewing machine shop. He had a seminar subsidized by the manufacturer. If people paid $60, they would get $600 in supplies. He sold out 4 classes. He grossed over $50,000 in sales for machines, software, and supplies. Another client had a radio promotion for his mortgage brokerage company. Free pizza, bounce house for the kids, radio DJ chatting with people. We sold over 50 mortgages in one weekend. If you can have special music, special entertainment, great food or free food, contests and giveaways, let your people know about it and make it fun. People will come to your special event and buy your product. Let us help you make special events one of your most powerful and profitable force multipliers. Call Dr. Pete for info.